In this video, I'll tell you what you can do if Google Chrome shows that this page isn't working error or some websites just refuse to load. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. First, open Chrome and disable all extensions. Sometimes one broken extension can block pages or cause weird loading issues, so this is a good first step. After that, go into Chrome settings and open the System section, find Graphics Acceleration and turn it off. When Chrome shows the relaunch button, click it so the browser restarts with the new setting. If the page still does not work, the next step is clearing your browsing data. Go to the Clear Browsing Data menu, set the time range to all time, and remove the saved browsing data. After doing that, test the website again. If nothing helped, the last method is resetting Chrome settings back to default. This can remove settings that may be causing the problem and give Chrome a clean setup again. After the reset, restart the browser and try opening the page one more time. That's basically the full fix path. Start with extensions and graphics acceleration first because they are quick to check, and only reset Chrome if the easier methods do not solve the issue. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.